and I'm going to show you a fairly simple way to do it. You want to figure the exact distance to the center of the holes, no matter what you have, 3, 3.5, 4, no matter. In this case, it's 3 inches from center to center. So on one side of your drawer, you want to make a mark at 3 inches. Okay, we've made our 3-inch mark. Now we want the overall distance of the drawer to that mark. Which in this case is 17.5. There's our mark. It's at 17.5, just a hair over. But we're going to call it 17.5. Now you want the center of that, which half of 17.5 is, well, 8.5 is 17, plus 1/4 of an inch is 17.5. So we come over 8 3/4. Come in from the other side, not from your mark, from the edge of the drawer, door, whatever. 8 3/4. Okay, and you can double check your measurements, but that's 3 inches. Now you want the center up and down, which is 8.5, which is 4 1/4. 4 1/4. 4 1/4. And we've got our 2 marks, so we drill those 2 holes for a number 8 screw. And that should do it. And it shows to be dead on. Hope that helps. 3-inch centers on the handle. Come in. Mark our 3-inch. This is 12 7/8. I hate it when we come up with odd numbers like that. Well, we know 6.5 is 13, so we go 6.5 minus 1/16. Come in from the other way. Be 6.5, and really what it amounts to is 7/16. Double check it. Shows to be 3 inches on. Shows to be it. Well, I got this hole off. Gosh, it's like a light 32nds or a heavy 64ths. So when that happens, you want to get a drill bit that's smaller than the outside diameter of the screw holder. In this case I got one about 2 sizes bigger than the one I used. That way I can kind of move it around a little bit. And it's working. Okay, there we go.